Good noon, good morning, good afternoon. My name is Eman Jake Ayan Senores. I live in New York City, Philippines.
Maway.
And as you can see, I'm here in under the tree.
Part 3.
Under the part.
Part 3.
Part. What?
Part 3.
Fire tree. Oh, so this is a fire tree. As you can see, there is a lot of what's that, man?
Silver.
Silver. A lot of leaves falling down from the trees.
No,
And
this is
right
its
now,
flowers.
This flower is actually it is. I don't know the color. What is the color?
Orange.
Orange. Oh, orange.
Hello, German Shepherd.
This is German Shepherd. Actually, in this leaf.
Untied.
She ran away. She ran away without noticing me. Right now, I'm going to show you my moves. The way Manny Pacquiao moves. You know.
Okay, go.
Me and Manny Pacquiao is best friend. A long time ago, but
Friends.
now we're just friends. Come on now. Right now, I'm going to show you how to push
Okay,
up.
go.
This is the Manny Pacquiao.
Basic.
Manny Pacquiao style, the way he push up. 1 to 1,000. Go. Count, please.
Okay.
Go count.
1, 2, 1,000. Okay.
That's very basic.
1 to 1,000.
And this is the way you punch. You know, but I see. Manny Pacquiao is left-handed,
Oh.
so it goes like this. Jab, straight. Did you see that? Did you see
Yes.
how fast I went?
Mama Mary is there.
My name is there. 1, 2. That's the basic one. And when you go for a knockout, it is basically uppercut or something. You will hit the barrera in the jaw.
Where?
So, basically, Manny Pacquiao's move like this. Straight. Okay, did you see how fast I get?
Combination dito.
Please don't try this at home. It is very dangerous.
Mga tenits. Uppercut. Right hook. Uppercut.
You see that, guys?
Yes.
And this one, another move. For the ab. Yes, it goes like this. Put your
Pit.
your foot under the screen. It's very hard. Just cross it. And you,
Okay, go.
you lie down ahead. So you push to 1,000.
Okay, 1 to 1,000.
You count like.
Bye. 1, 2, 1,000.
Did you see that? It is very important to you as a boxer to really exercise well your body, emotion.
Emotion.
Oh, it is important.
Yes.
Spiritual.
Oh.
Emotion.
Emotion.
Oh.
Og.
What is the other one, Ayan?
Emotion.
Emotion.
Spelling.
Emotion. Spell emotion. Emotion.
Wala? It's over.
It's over and
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.